Keep your paws closed, or you're gonna get off him. Thank you.
Oh, where is Mama gonna sit? Right there? Oh, okay.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Hello. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so.
Who's the most beautiful girl in the room?
You?
You stink. You don't clean yourself right.
Dude, why do you have your Odyssey out? Oh! Oh! Can you hold on? No.
Simba, if you love me, move your leg 2 times. Okay, now if you love me.
Stop. Shut up.